Perfect. Thank you, man. Have a good one. Yo, what the fuck?
We sure love, bro.
What the fuck? I almost got my fucking hand taken off. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. Yeah. Fucking Lexa. What the fuck?
You okay?
Yeah.
You need medical attention?
No, I'm good. Should I stay here?
I don't even know.